It's finally sunny Saturday here in Florida. This is Val P. I love it because STEM is right around the corner, and as you can see, has been regrowing. I love this one. It is sitting on a really big lot. You're on 0.4 acres. It needs a new roof. It needs to be fully rewired. We're talking $14,900 was a quote for the rewire. This will not qualify for house insurance. This will be a cash deal. What's neat is there will never really be anything behind you. So all this privacy, these woods, is yours. I actually really like this red brick. I know some people is going to want to paint it. Oh boy, these have got to get changed out. Oh, at least they have that. This is the best part of the house, the stove.
Did you have anything about the roof? Any information about the roof?
That needs to be replaced, ma'am.
Oh, it does?
Absolutely.
I think Joe's gonna look at it real quick. It looks, yep, as if the power's on. Yes.
This was the garage, but as you can see, it is now carpet. carpet needs to go. And fully enclosed with a vent. So parking is going to have to be in the carport. This is a tight, very small doorway. Hot water heater has to go. It is too cold. But this is your laundry room. Are actually really decent size. Usually in older homes, you don't get good sized rooms. Windows look very original. This would be master bedroom. That's your closet. And this would be master bathroom. So there's room if you took this thing out and reconfigure this much into a modern bathroom. You could put a shower in this space. So definitely I would modernize this.